I'm about to introduce you to a new AI bot that can help you earn up to $5,000 per week through affiliate marketing without ever having to show your face. It's a pretty amazing tool that can help you create short videos on any topic in just a matter of seconds. So, if you're curious about how you can use this AI bot to achieve financial success while maintaining your privacy, then stick around. We're about to show you how it all works. All you need to do is have your device ready, connect to the internet, and pay close attention to every step of this tutorial so you don't miss out on any important details. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the website walkso.tech. I recently discovered this website called walkso.tech, and it's pretty amazing. They've got an AI bot that can create short videos on any topic that you can think of. Seriously, it's like having your own personal video production team at your fingertips. So here's how it works. All you have to do is go to the walkso.tech website and type in a keyword or topic that you want to create a video about. Let's say you're interested in how to lose weight. Just type that in and hit generate. In a matter of seconds, the AI bot spits out a bunch of short videos that cover different aspects of losing weight. And the videos are pretty impressive. They've got voiceovers, cool visuals, and everything. It's like watching a professional quality video that you made yourself. You can download the videos and use them for all kinds of stuff. Promoting a product, sharing on social media, or just entertaining your followers. One thing I really appreciate about this AI bot is how easy it is to use. You don't need any video editing skills, fancy software, or anything like that. Just type in a keyword, click a button, and boom! You've got yourself some awesome videos. And the possibilities are endless. You could create videos about cooking, travel, fitness, music, you name it. The AI bot is constantly learning and improving. So the more you use it, the better it gets. Step 2. Go to ClickBank and select any offer in the niche you choose. Now that we've got our awesome videos from walkso.tech, it's time to monetize them. One of the easiest and most popular ways to make money from videos like these is through affiliate marketing. And for that, we need to head over to ClickBank. Basically, ClickBank is an online marketplace that's filled with all kinds of products that you can promote and make money from. And when I say all kinds of products, I mean it. They've got stuff on pretty much every topic under the sun. Whether you're interested in weight loss, cooking, fitness, personal development, or anything in between, you're sure to find something on ClickBank. It's kind of like a giant affiliate department store, and there are both physical and digital products on here for you to promote. And the best part, you don't need to create any of these products yourself. Instead, you can simply promote them as an affiliate and earn a commission on every sale you make. It's a great way to make money online without having to deal with the hassle of creating your own products, handling customer support, or any of that other boring stuff. So now that you know what ClickBank is, the first thing we need to do is find a weight loss product on ClickBank that we think would be a good fit for our audience. This could be a weight loss program, a supplement, a cookbook, or anything else related to weight loss. The key is to find something that we truly believe in and think our viewers would be interested in. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The product owner gets more sales, we get a commission, and our audience gets access to a great product that can help them achieve their weight loss goals. Step 3. Sign up for ClickBank's affiliate program. So, once we found a product on ClickBank that we want to promote in our weight loss videos, the next step is to sign up for the affiliate program. Now, this might sound like a lot of work, but it's actually a pretty straightforward process. First things first, we'll need to find the affiliate or promote button on the product page. This will usually be located somewhere near the top or bottom of the page, and it will take us to a new page where we can sign up for the affiliate program. Once we're on the affiliate sign-up page, we'll be asked to fill out a form with some basic information, like our name, email address, and website if we have one. We might also be asked to provide some additional details, like how we plan to promote the product or what our marketing strategy is. After we filled out the form, we'll need to agree to some terms and conditions. These will outline things like how much commission we'll earn on each sale, what the refund policy is, and any restrictions on how we can promote the product. Once we've agreed to the terms and conditions, we'll be redirected to a page where we can access our unique affiliate link. This is the link that we'll use to promote the product in our weight loss videos, and it's how ClickBank will track our sales and commission. This link is what will make you money. So make sure to keep it safe and always remember to use this when you're uploading your videos. Step 4. Upload short videos onto YouTube, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Once we've created our short videos with Woxo and received our unique affiliate link from ClickBank, it's time to start promoting the product on various social media platforms. One way to do this is by posting the videos on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. These platforms are great for creating short, engaging videos that can quickly grab people's attention. When creating your video content, make sure it's informative and provides value to your audience. This will help build trust with your viewers and increase the chances of them clicking on your affiliate link. As well as including your affiliate link in the video's description or your bio, sometimes it's important to be transparent about the fact that you're promoting a product. Make sure to disclose that in the video as well, so your audience knows that you're being upfront about your intentions. You can do this in the description. When it comes to promoting the product, you can experiment with different hashtags and captions to reach a wider audience. For example, if we're promoting a weight loss product, we can use hashtags like weight loss journey, healthy lifestyle, or fitness motivation to attract people who are interested in those topics. It's also important to engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages and even creating a community around the product you're promoting. This can help build loyalty and trust, and ultimately lead to more sales. Remember, the key to success with affiliate marketing is to create engaging content that provides value to your audience and encourages them to take action. So, let's talk numbers and see how much money we can potentially earn from this affiliate marketing strategy. First off, we need to consider the commission rate we'll receive for each sale. In this case, we're assuming it's $100 per sale, which is a pretty good commission rate, all things considered. It could be much higher or lower for you depending on the offer that you're promoting. Now, let's